सो लास्ट क्लास आम पढ़ते लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला चलो आउ थे देखिए लेंस मेकर्स फॉर्मूला that means like this, let this is mu1 and this is also mu1 and the lens is having a refractive index, let mu2, light is coming from this direction, radius of curvature for this part is r2, for this part you take r1, for this part you take r2, radius of curvature. So what is the formula for focal length? 1 by f is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Students, let this is AR. Let this is only AR. AR means refractive index is 1. Na? So in AR, refractive index mu1 is equal to 1. And let mu2, that is refractive index of the lens, is equal to mu. So we can rewrite the formula as 1 by f is equal to mu2, in place of mu2 I'll write mu. By mu1 is 1, mu minus 1 whole into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. But students, sometimes you will get a question that the lens, the refractive index of the lens is this much. And student, let the lens is placed in a medium. Let this side is having refractive index mu1. Refractive index of lens is mu2. And the other side there is another medium mu3. Let this side is radius of curvature r1, this side is radius of curvature r2. What will be the formula in that case for focal length? Remember 1 by f is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by mu3 into r1 plus mu3 minus mu2 divided by mu3 into r2. Let the surface is like this. This is the lens. It will be kept in a box. Yes or no? This is having a refractive index. Let this is having one medium which is having a separate refractive index, and this is also having separate refractive index. Understood? In that case, what will be the focal length of this lens? जो यहाँ पर f था, तो यहाँ पर focal length कितना times change होगा? तो you will find the focal length f here. You will find the focal length in this case. Then we will compare. Students, next let's go to power of a lens. I'm saying the basic formulas of optics. Powers of a lens. Power of a lens. You know the power of a lens, that is 1 by focal length. Power of a lens P is equal to 1 by focal length in meter. 1 by focal length in meter. Students, it is diopter. But sometimes in the question we used to get combination of lenses. Let there is a convex lens and there is another concave lens. This is a combination. Yes or no, student? This is one convex lens. Yes or no? And this is one concave lens. Let the focal length of this is f1. The focal length of this is f2. So combined focal length 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So total combined power will be how much? P1 plus P2. In the same question, student, let the two lenses are placed some distance apart. This is a convex lens and this is another concave lens. Okay. Let the separation between them is, students, d. This is having focal length f1, this is having focal length f2. So 1 by f is equal to, students, 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus d by f1 f2. Remember the formula, we'll do some numericals of this. So the combined power is equal to P is equal to P1 plus P2 minus distance between them d into P1 P2. Okay, understood, students? And students, what is the mirror formula? You know what is the lens formula, students? You know what is lens formula? Semi
1.
1 by V
Correct.
minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. And student, magnification in case of a lens is equal to image height, height of image by height of object. That is equal to image distance by object distance, V by U. And student, like in the case of mirror, here also there is a expression for image velocity. Image velocity. That means at what velocity the object is coming and what should be the image velocity. That is, if the object is going, student, along the principal axis, number one, let the along the principal axis, the object is moving along the principal axis. Then velocity of image will be equal to magnification times velocity of object. At what velocity the object is moving? And what is the magnification? You could find by V by U. Yes or no? And student, V velocity of image and velocity of object are in same direction. Yes or no? If object is going in this direction, then image is also going in this direction. And student, next, if the object is moving perpendicular to the principal axis, this is the case for along the principal axis, then perpendicular to principal axis.
Sir, जदि lens भी move करिवो
Same perpendicular to principal axis. Perpendicular to principal axis, right? Velocity of image is equal to magnification times velocity of object. This is perpendicular, and this is the formula for along the principal axis. Yes or no? See, students, let there is a case like this. Plano convex, yes or no? Refractive index is mu1 is equal to 2. Refractive index mu1 same medium is 2. And refractive index of this medium lens is equal to 1.5. Is 1.5. And this is radius of curvature, R. And R is equal to, students, in the question he has given 40 centimeter. And here R2 will be how much, students? Plano. Plane means R2 is how much? Infinity, na? Yes or no? So you have to find the focal length of the system. You have to find the focal length. You have to find the focal length of the system. What is the formula for focal length? 1 by F is equal to how much? Mu2 by
V1 minus
minus 1.
minus 1
R1
mu into
minus
1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Correct? So that is mu2 is equal to 1.5 by 2 minus 1 whole into 1 by R1, 1 by 40 plus 40, because this is the part of this, na, students? Yes or no? So this side is its center of curvature will be on this side, na? So that's the right side positive. 1 by 40 minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. And solve, you will get how much? F is equal to how much? Minus 160 centimeter. So this is the focal length of the. Let's go another example. Let's take another example. Focal length of a convex lens of AR is 10 centimeters, students. He's saying focal length F of a convex lens, focal length of a convex lens in air is, students, 10 centimeter. Focal length in water. Find its focal length in water. Find its focal length in water. Correct? Students, mu lens is made up of glass. Let mu glass is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. Mu water is, 4 by 3. So how to find the focal length in air? Means like I was having a lens जिसका focal length कितना था 10 सेंटीमीटर एयर पे. जब मैं इसको पानी में focal length कितना होगा? Let's see. Students, you know for the normal cases, you know 1 by f air is equal to how much? Mu glass minus 1 because mu air is 1. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Correct? And for water, student, it will be how much? 1 by focal length of water will be how much? Mu glass by mu water. Yes or no? Mu glass by mu water minus 1 whole into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Correct, isn't it? Students, let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2, students. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. Student, by dividing, how much I will get? F water, equation 1, F water by F air is going to be how much? Students, it is going to be mu g minus 1 divided by mu g by mu w minus 1. Let's put all the values. Then to find F water, focal length in water, what we have to do? Is equal to 3 by 2. F water we want to find, yes or no? Then F air will be plus multiplied. So that is 3 by 2 minus 1 divided by mu glass is how much? 3 by 2 by 4 by 3, yes or no? Whole minus 1 into focal length of air. So by solving, students, what you will get? 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, yes or no? So I will get it as 4 times of focal length of air. And it is, you know, 4 into focal length of air was 10. So it will be 40 centimeter. Understood, students? Yes or no? The focal length in water will be for the particular lens, its focal length will vary and it is going to be 40 centimeter. Okay, students, a biconvex lens, another example, a biconvex lens having focal length 1.5, students. It is having focal length 1.5, that is mu. And radius of curvature 20 centimeter both. Means this side also 20 centimeter, R1 20 centimeter, R2 is also 20 centimeter. Correct? Find its focal length, students. Nothing given means it is, we have to assume this is air. Okay? Nothing given means we have to assume. Student, this, if here see here, student R1 is for this, na? This side is R1, na? That means R1 will be positive, na, students? And R2 is that
Yes.
side. So R2 will be negative. Yes or no? So I know what is the formula for focal length in lens maker formula. Mu minus 1 whole into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Yes or no? So that is 1 by F is equal to 1.5 minus 1 whole into 1 by 20 minus of 1 by minus 20. So solve this one. How much you are going to get it? So focal length you are going to get plus 20 centimeter. Understood? That means in biconvex or biconcave lens, if refractive index has refractive index mu is equal to 1.5, then R1 is equal to R2 is equal to nothing but focal length. Find the distance of image. Find the distance of image. Find the distance of image from a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Of focal length 20 centimeter. If object is placed the distance of 30 centimeters, object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. Object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens. 30 centimeter from the lens. Also find magnification. Also find magnification. See students, U is how much? U is how much given? 30
Sir, 1.
30 centimeter.
minus 30 centimeter.
Minus 30.
Focal length is how much?
आगे से
Plus 20 we take. Yes or no? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. That is 1 by V minus 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by plus 20. By solving V is equal to how much? 30, 20, 16. Eh? Yes or no? So magnification how much will be, students? V by U that is equal to how much? Plus 60 by minus 60 is equal to minus 2. Understood?
U is minus 30.
Minus 30. This is plus 60 by minus 30. Okay, that is minus 2. Find the distance of an object from a convex lens, right? Find the distance of an object. Find the distance of an object. Find the distance of an object. Find the distance of an object from a convex lens. From a convex lens. If image is 2 times magnified. If image is 2 times magnified. If image is 2 times magnified. That is focal length of the lens is 10 centimeter. That is focal length of the lens is 10 centimeter. That means
height of the object
yes, image is 2 times magnified. That means height of image is equal to 2 times height of object. We know hi by ho is equal to 2 is equal to what? V by u na?
again, sir.
That means V is equal to 2 u na?
Again.
Yes. Let convex lens. So let u is equal to minus x left side and V will be 2 times of x. Focal length is given how much? 10 centimeter. Yes or no? So you put 1 by V minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. That is 1 by V is 1 by 2x minus of minus plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 10. So 3 by 2x is equal to 1 by 10 and x is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. If x means if 15 centimeter, that means object lies between f and 2f. Na? Object lies between f and 2f because you take a convex lens. Yes or no? Focal length is 10 centimeter. Yes or no? And 2f is how much? 20.
20.
But we got x is equal to 15 centimeter.
Yes,
means
sir.
At 15 centimeter, the object is present. That object is in between f and 2f. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Students.